Okay, you guys, I just wanted to come on here to show you my weekly keto haul. This is from Aldi's. You would not believe this stuff. Um, this cost me around, I think it was like $100. It's a little bit of stuff, but it was $100. So first I got this chopped kale, which I put kale in so many different things, like a lot of things. Then my Aldi's finally had the egg wraps. I have been looking for these, you guys. You guys just don't know. I've been looking for those. So of course I got tons of broccoli and tons of cauliflower, rice cauliflower. So for me, I don't know about everybody else, but for me, I am a rice and pasta chick. So I have to get something that is going to put me in the mindset of rice, and that is this cauliflower. Then I, of course, got the shrimp. Normally, I don't get my shrimp from Aldi's because it's not wild caught, or at least it don't say it's wild caught. So I normally don't get it from there, but it says no preservatives and chemical free. So let's pray and hope for the best. I don't know. But this time, I finally got to catch the chopped spinach. I never normally get to catch that at Aldi's. I normally use fresh spinach, but this time I'm like, let me just get some chopped spinach that I could just throw in with the cauliflower, with some peppers or something like that. And of course, you know, we all have to get, all who's on keto, we have to get the heavy cream. And I got center cut bacon. And for this one, let's see if I can find it here. Okay, I like this one because there's no carbs and no sugar in this at all. I am not a keto guru yet. Is that how you pronounce it? Guru? But I'm not that person yet. So all of my items may not be, you know, right. Let's see how much the spinach have in it. I didn't even check that. See, like this right here. 4 grams of carbs and 1 sugar and 3 grams of protein. So normally I do get the bag fresh spinach, but this time I wanted to try this. And cauliflower is basically the same, 4 grams, 2 grams of sugar, 2 protein. Broccoli, they basically the same, 4 grams of carbohydrates, 1 gram of sugar, 2 grams of protein. So it is what it is. I'm just doing my best. So I did see this in there, and normally I do not buy like hold on, let me get this together. Normally I do not buy pre-seasoned stuff because I love to season my own food, and I love the way I season food. I love the way I cook. I do. Not saying I'm the best cook in the world, but I'm almost there. I'm close to it. But anyway, this had 1 gram for a 4-ounce serving size, and which is the whole chicken. This is 1 gram of carb and 0 sugars and 22 grams of protein. So look at here, Southwest style seasoned chicken. I want to get that just in case I need like a quick grab and go. I can use my Southwest chicken for my egg wrap if I want to make kind of like a burrito. And then of course I got just regular chicken tenders. That's all. Now these I always get. These vitamin C shots, since they've been having them, I always get these ones in elderberry. But I just looked on here and realized it is 5 grams of carbs and 4 grams of sugar and no protein. Why? So you know what that means. That means now I am no longer going to get those. I'm not getting those. Not at all. So this will be my last batch, and unfortunately, look, I brought a lot of them. I might give them to the kids. I might let the kids have them. And so this is something that is a must. I love this coffee creamer and pumpkin spice, plant-based. It's so good. Now this one is 4 grams of carbs, 4 sugar and 0 protein. Now, I know that is bad, I know that is bad, but I really like that, so that's a no-brainer. Now, this chicken here, I got these to throw in the air fryer, which normally I do not get this kind of chicken. I never, ever get this kind of chicken. I don't know if it's bad or if it's not, because I never get this. Is my first time getting this. I never, ever get this, but I wanted something quick that I can just kind of like throw in the air fryer when I'm hungry. And I could use it for dinner or lunch or whatever. But no carbs, no sugars, 13 grams of protein for a 3.5 ounce. And how many ounces? And this is a 64 ounce bag. So which is 4 pounds. Now these are yellow kiwi. I really love these, but I got these for the kids. If I can't eat them, I want them to eat them because I really love these. This is one of my favorite fruits I love. Before I started keto, let's see what they got in them. Oh yeah, see, I definitely can't have this. 26 grams of carbs and 2 grams of protein, 20 grams of sugar. So yeah, that's out. But yeah, that is my weekly haul for keto. And of course, some of the stuff might last me more than a week. I probably this is Lulu making that noise because she wants to go outside. Yes, I'm talking about you. I know you already been out there. I know you have. I know. So I want to stop, Lou. I want to show you my weekly haul. I know I'm going to get some more meat because I'm going to get some salmon, however you pronounce it. But I'm going to get some of that, and I'm going to get some tilapia. Look. You don't have to go outside. You don't. You already been. I already let her out. Don't let her fool you, making it think like she haven't been out there. She have. She just wants to go out there because there's another dog out there. So I'm so happy, you guys. This is my favorite find that I did. Oh, I'm so happy. I can't wait to try these out and see how they are. No carbs, no sugars, 3 grams of protein. Oh, I can't wait. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for taking time to watch my video. And I may do what I eat in a day. Just so you can kind of get an idea of what I eat in a day in keto. And for those who are wondering about keto, I say do it. Anything that lets you have this heavy cream and cheese, go for it. And not to mention, you guys, in 10 days, I lost 18 pounds in 10 days. Anything that I do that makes me lose 18 pounds in 10 days and I still feel good, I did not have like a keto flu or whatever. And it could be because I'm not doing like the strict keto. I guess I'm not doing that. But guess what? In 10 days, I lost 18 pounds. Anything to do that, I am all for it. So I'm going to keep on going. I'm trying to lose 40 pounds by my birthday. My birthday is December the 26th because I will be 40. So I'm trying to lose 40 before 40. And hopefully I don't slow down too much. I know I'm going to slow down, but hopefully I don't slow down too much. And I could kind of get in my 40 before 40. So again, here's my keto haul. And this stuff was $100 at my Aldi's. What, they think we rich, y'all? Alright, guys. So I just want to say, you guys, this is the absolute most wonderful time of the year to me. Fall season, when it's just the beginning of fall, it is like so pretty and so nice outside. I just had to come outside for a little bit just so we can take Lou to the park because as you can see, she was bugging me to get out. So we took her to the park and we discovered this such a pretty weeping willow tree. These are my favorite trees. So I'm going to give you a dose of this. Then I'm going to take you back home with me so I can show you what I made for breakfast and for lunch. I ate 2 meals that day. Normally I try to eat 2 meals a day, but I'm telling you, doing keto, you just don't be hungry. You really don't. I see people all the time be like, oh, I was so hungry on keto. I swear I don't be hungry. I don't know if it's because of the fat content that you take in, but it's like I just don't be hungry. I don't. So let me stop running my mouth and let you enjoy the scenery. And then I will take you back home with me. Okay, you guys, so here is my breakfast, which is just 2 eggs with shredded cheese, a half an avocado that has, of course, the everything bagel seasoning, and 2 pieces of bacon cut in half. This was so good and so filling. I'm telling you guys, you will not be hungry on keto. People who say they're hungry on keto must be doing it wrong, because I really can only eat 1 meal a day and be full all day, but I know I'm supposed to get more, so that's why I eat another meal. But it's so easy, you guys. So here is what I am making. I am making, of course, you know, shrimp and cream sauce. This is like my favorite thing in the world. So of course I add garlic and tomato, and for this I just added a whole bag of that frozen spinach. Now this sauce is a little thin at the moment, so I am going to add some flaxseed meal mixed to it, and this is what it looks like. It's like it acts as like flour, the active agent to flour. So this is what it looks like when it's all done, and this was so delicious. So you guys, I'm telling you, doing keto is not so bad. If I could have, like I said, if I could have cream sauces, I am okay with doing it. However, I will say again, like I was telling you guys, I don't be hungry, and I don't know if it's because I'm not doing like clean keto. If that is something, I don't know. But this is still working for me. I'm still losing weight every single day doing this. Every day. So right now I'm down 19 pounds in 11 days. So again, if this is something that you can do, I say go for it. I'm going to be doing more keto videos on my channel, especially since I'm really kind of getting the groove of it, because I want to show you guys what snacks I eat. And I have this such a good dessert, like peanut butter brittle with unsweetened cocoa and almonds in it, sliced almonds. It's so good. So I want to make that recipe for you guys, so you know that it is possible to be able to lose weight and still eat what you like to eat. Still eat all of the foods that you love. So the main difference I did for me was the pork bacon. I never ate pork bacon, and now I eat pork rinds for chips. But when I really like want to craving some chips at night and I want to snack on some chips at night, I eat pickles instead. And I don't even like pickles. But because I know this is working for me, my mind is set on getting this done. So I just eat the small mini kosher dill pickles, and that cures my chip craving for at nighttime. If I want something sweet, guess what? I will go to Aldi's and get that keto ice cream, and I'm going to do a video with that too, so you guys can see, like I said, all of the snacks that I eat. It's really those 3 snacks though. It's the keto ice cream, it's the pickles, and the pork rinds, and I'm telling you, that leaves me so satisfied. I don't have a craving to eat anything else. So again, you guys, thank you guys for sharing the space with me, and thank you for watching.